Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to Today's recipe, we're gonna make some cornbread muffins from scratch. But these ain't no ordinary cornbread muffins. We're gonna make maple cornbread muffins. That's right, sugar, maple cornbread muffins. They're gonna be so delicious, gonna have full of maple flavors. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And these would be great for your Thanksgiving dinner. Get you some collard greens and some turkey and gravy and you be good to go. So grab your cornmeal and your maple syrup sugar because we're about to bake some maple cornbread muffin magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up our dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 1 cup each of self-rising flour and self-rising yellow cornmeal. And we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And we're going to whisk all this together. And then we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. All right, my friends, in my bowl, I have 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature. And we're going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk. And now for the star of the show. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. And this is optional. I like to add a 1/2 teaspoon of maple extract to give it a little bit more maple flavor. And 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. And we're going to stir the wet ingredients all together until they're nice and well incorporated. All right, my friends, now we're going to pour the wet into the dry. Like so. We're going to stir everything together until it's nice and well combined. It smells good. I love the smell of maple. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish stirring my cornbread batter and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through stirring my cornbread batter. All right, that looks great. So next, we're going to pour our cornbread batter into 12 muffin liners and we're gonna fill them 3/4 of the way up. All right, my friends, I'm through filling up my muffin liners. So now we're ready to bake our maple cornbread muffins. We're going to put it in a preheated 400-degree oven and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, it smells like maple cornbread muffins in this kitchen. Heavenly. Maple muffins come to mama. And there you have it, my friends. Southern sweet maple cornbread muffins. See how nice and golden brown they look? And I put it on my fall platter. All right, so now I'm gonna fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. All right, here we go. Lord have mercy. These are the bomb.com delicious, my friends. I can taste the maple, nice and moist. If y'all don't feel like making any yeast rolls, please make these cornbread muffins. And everybody will have their own individual ones. These will satisfy your guests at your Thanksgiving dinner. This deserves another bite. Cornbread Muffinlicious. Well, my friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Thanksgiving.